My name's Kieth Powe. I'm VP of Engineering for IDT Corporation. IDT started as a telecom company, and now we've migrated basically into a software company. Prior to using testRigor, we were using Selenium to automate our test cases. We had great results with Selenium. We were able to automate a lot of test cases pretty fast. But then after about a year, when software started changing, we ran into the maintenance problem. Instead of spending time writing new automated test cases, all of my engineers were maintaining those scripts. Initially, we got to 33% pretty fast. We hired a lot of automation engineers, and they were able to get to 33 for a while, and the executives were happy. Everyone was happy seeing how great we were doing. And then it was just 34%, 36%, and 33% again, and because the maintenance was wearing us down. I did a lot of research on the internet, and we came down with two new companies that were out there doing some unique things. Told them, hey, we're gonna have a bake-off. We'll put both of you guys in our environment, and whoever comes out on top, that's who we're going with. The other guys, we got really nothing out of. We were underwhelmed, right? We couldn't believe, oh, is that it? Are you done? We couldn't see any results. But with testRigor right away, immediately, we saw results immediately. And I think the biggest thing that we saw was that we had some interns that did not know how to code at all. It was their first time having a job, and they were automating test cases faster than our automation engineers. That was the biggest winner for us. Before implementing testRigor, we were treading water at 33%. After implementing it, we're now at 91% of our test cases are automated. Been doing this for 25 years, and I've never been able to attain that until we got testRigor. So prior to testRigor, we hired 18 automation engineers, top dollar guys, and now that we've implemented testRigor, we're down to one automation engineer. That's about a savings of $2 million annually. I'm amazed at the support that they've given us. I don't know if I'm some kind of celebrity and they treat me special, but the CEOs on calls weekly, we put in issues and requests and they get resolved very quickly. I don't know how they do it, but the support that they provide us is amazing. testRigor is going to impact the company in the future by allowing us to get to true CI/CD. Basically, a developer writes a piece of code, checks it in, and immediately after it goes through a series of tests, it'll be out in production right away. Without the automation, we would not be able to do that. I've actually recommended testRigor to several of my colleagues, and the reason why is you're going to save money in the end, right? You're going to be able to get rid of the high-dollar automation engineers, whereas with the competitors or the open source solutions, we're spending all of our time maintaining test cases.